Hello traders, Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast. Monday morning here in Honolulu, Hawaii, approximately 8 a.m. It is the 29th day of November, and this is the Daily Report. Gold currently trading approximately $2 to $3 higher. It is trading at 366. 367. It's had a low today of 1354 and a high of 1370. The interesting thing is the rise in gold is like watching a salmon swim upstream. You've got a strengthening US dollar just tugging at the price of gold. That is accounting for a negative $9.20 in the price of an ounce of gold today. But predominant buying is more than compensating for that, up about $12 on the day, giving it that $2 to $3 rise. We are currently looking at a daily chart of Forex Gold. And traders, there's two things that I find fairly significant that I want to touch base on this morning. The first is that I am looking at this market putting itself into a pennant, or what we call a flag formation. Now, of course, the strategy or belief behind a pennant formation is that as these ranges narrow and the price range compresses, energy builds within this area. At the apex or tip of the pennant formation, you get a powerful breakout, which can be either to the upside or the downside. But the significance is that you do get a breakout that has an increased amount of power because of the energy that's built as these ranges have narrowed. The second point that I wanted to touch on is the fact that I have been getting a tremendous amount of email, both from subscribers as well as readers of my commentaries, that we are forming a classic head and shoulders formation. The head and shoulders formation, the analogous formation, is called a 3 Buddha pattern. And a 3 Buddha pattern, like a head and shoulders, can either have a head and shoulders or a reverse 3 Buddha, which is a breakout to the upside similar to a inverse head and shoulders formation. What I believe is that, of course, what we're looking at is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. It is obvious that if this market, which did hit resistance at 1380, breaks this critical level at 1330, because at that point it would trade below this right lower shoulder, that would be significant and in fact would signal lower prices and complete a 3 Buddha top. However, as I pointed out in this morning's Kitco commentary, there is another alternative, and that is called a reverse 3 Buddha. And typically what you're looking at there is you have the same beginning formation. You get the left shoulder and then you get the head. However, as the market trades higher in this one critical area, and which is why I've been looking at 1380 as so critical, this 23% retracement level, what happens is if the market can then sustain a rally and break above that, you will have had the breakout to the upside that you look for. In other words, being able to overcome this top here at 1380.80. I do believe that that is a critical top that the market must test and take out for this to be a reversal. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.